theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. This is sin theta into cos theta, which is equal to secant square theta minus cosecant square theta. So now take LHS side. So LHS side is tan theta minus cot theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. Is it possible to apply identity? No. Here it is tan theta. Here it is cot theta. If it is a square, tan square theta, you can use identity or cot square. So is it possible to use rationalization? No. Because denominator is sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. Suppose here sin theta plus cos theta, you can use rationalization method, or if it is sin theta minus cos theta, you can use rationalization. Here you can't use rationalization, right? So now next, is it possible to take LCM? No, right? Now how to simplify this? Change this tan. Use the formula for tan. What is your tan theta is equal to, from your formula list, sin theta divided by cos theta. So cot theta from your formula list, cos theta divided by sin theta. So use it. So sin tan theta is what? Sin theta divided by cos theta minus cot theta is what? Cos theta divided by sin theta whole divided by denominator is sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. Now how to simplify this numerator part? This is your numerator. This is your denominator. So now numerator simplification. Numerator, how to simplify? Numerator, take LCM. So that is equal to, I'll simplify here itself. So numerator, LCM. So what is LCM for numerator? Sin theta into cos theta. So LCM is sin theta into cos theta. So now numerator part, cos theta and this cos theta cancels. What is left? Sin theta, right? So sin theta into sin theta. Sin theta into sin theta minus this sin theta and this sin theta cancel. What is left? Here cos theta. Cos theta into cos theta. Cos theta into cos theta whole divided by, it is denominator as it is sin theta into cos theta, right? This is your numerator part and this is your denominator part, right? Denominator is as it is. Clear this? So numerator, it is divide. This is divide, means take LCM. So cos theta, sin theta, both are different, means LCM is sin theta into cos theta. Now cos theta and one cos cancel, sin theta into sin theta minus sin theta and sin theta cancel, cos theta into cos theta, and denominator as it is. Now numerator simplification. What is the numerator simplification? That is equal. Sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta minus cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta divided by, what is that? Sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta whole divided by, denominator is what? Sin theta into cos theta. So don't get confusion. This is numerator. This is denominator. That's why every step I'm writing which is your numerator, which is your denominator. So that is denominator, right? In numerator, again numerator by denominator. In denominator only the numerator part. So how to write this? This as divided by 1, right? So now take this denominator to that side. That means to numerator. So it is sin square theta minus cos square theta divided by what? Here it is sin theta into cos theta into 1 divided by what? Sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. So denominator is sin theta into cos theta When it goes to numerator, it is 1 divided by sin theta into cos theta. So it is sin square theta minus cos square theta. Is it possible to apply your identity? No. What is your identity? Identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta. But here it is minus, so we can't change it as 1. Understood? So identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta. If it is here plus, we can write it as equal to 1. But this is not your formula. Clear? So write as it is divided by, now see the denominator. Sin theta into, sin theta into cos theta into sin theta into cos theta. Numerator by denominator into numerator by denominator. Don't cancel the sin and the sin, cos and cos. That is not possible. You know that. So if it is not possible, multiplication. Right? Numerator with the numerator, multiplication. New denominator with the denominator, multiplication. See, sin theta into cos theta, sin theta into cos theta. So same it is repeated. It's like a into a. So what is your answer? A square, right? So similarly here, sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta is what? Sin is how many times repeated? Sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta. Cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. Clear? Now what I need is secant square theta minus cosecant square theta. So how to get numerator how many terms? 2 terms. You can split this. So how to split? It is sin square theta divided by sin square theta into cos square theta minus cos square theta divided by sin square theta into cos square theta. Is it right? Splitting you know. So sin square theta divided by this one minus cos square divided by this one. Right? So now in this one, sin square theta and sin square theta cancels. What is left here? It is numerator is 1 divided by cos square theta minus. See here, cos square theta and cos square theta cancels. What is left here? 1 divided by sin square theta. Now I need secant square theta. Is this equal to secant square theta? Yes, because 1 divided by cos theta is secant theta. 1 divided by cos square theta is what? Secant square theta minus 1 divided by sin square theta. Is that equal to cosecant square theta? Yes, it is equal to cosecant square theta because 1 divided by sin square is cosecant square theta. Secant square theta minus cosecant square theta, which is equal to RHS side. Therefore, LHS side is equal to RHS side. Therefore, conclusion we should write tan theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta, which is equal to secant square theta minus cosecant square theta. Next question is prove that. Question is same as previous. Tan theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta into cos theta is equal to tan square theta minus cot square theta. What is the previous question? Is equal to secant square theta minus cosecant square theta, right? So here to get tan square theta minus cot square theta, the method is same. So how to simplify this? We can't use rationalization. We can't use any identity. So now use your formula. Tan theta is sin theta divided by cos theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta. Denominator is as it is. So this is your numerator. So for numerator take LCM. So LCM of cos theta into sin theta is sin theta into cos theta. Next get numerator part. Cos theta, assume cos theta cancel. Sin theta into sin theta minus sin theta, assume sin theta cancel, cos theta into cos theta and denominator as it is. Now sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta minus cos into cos is cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta, sin theta into cos theta. So numerator, don't cancel this sin theta cos theta with this sin theta cos theta. That is not possible because sin theta cos theta means divided by 1. So this denominator, it goes to numerator, then sin square theta minus cos square theta divided by sin theta into cos theta. This goes to numerator means it interchanges 1 divided by this one. So now that's why it is not possible to cancel here. This is numerator part. In numerator and denominator. This is your denominator part. This is your numerator. Denominator is 1. So denominator and numerator we can't cancel. Okay. So now next sin square theta minus cos square theta. See, sin theta cos theta into sin theta cos theta. Denominator same. So means multiplication. Sin theta into sin theta is sin square theta. Cos theta into cos theta is cos square theta. Now you can split this because how many terms in numerator? 2. So you can split. So how to split? Sin square theta divided by sin square theta into cos square theta minus cos square divided by sin square into cos square theta. So you can cancel your sin square and sin square. 1 divided by cos square. Cos square and cos square. 1 divided by sin square. 1 divided by cos square is secant square. 1 divided by sin square is cosecant square. But proof, what we need? Tan square and we need cot square. I got secant square, I got cosecant square. Now how to get tan square from secant square? You have relation. What is that relation? Identity is secant square is 1 plus tan square theta minus cot square is, cosecant square is 1 plus cot square theta. So now 1 plus tan square theta, now multiply minus 1 minus into cot square is minus cot square theta. So which is equal to minus 1 plus 1 cancels. So answer is tan square theta minus cot square theta, which is equal to RHS side. So therefore LHS side is equal to RHS side. Therefore LHS side is equal to RHS side. So write separate proof for the first question and for this one. Understood now? So don't write in the same question. So for first one, that means for this proof, write the proof separately. Next give next question number and proceed this one and get your tan square minus cot square. Next question, prove that cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. Cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square, which is equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So now take your LHS side. LHS side is, what is the LHS side? It is cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. Cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. Is it possible to use identity here? Is it possible? No. Why it is not? Because here it is not cosecant square, here it is not cot square, right? So we can't use identity. Is it possible to use rationalization? No, because there is no numerator by denominator, right? So one more possible is cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. So you can see this in the form of a minus b whole square, right? So a minus b whole square. Suppose if I apply this a minus b whole square, we'll see where we will get that side. So what is the a minus b whole square? A minus b whole square is, this is not possible. Just I am trying this, I am showing how it is not possible, because by looking this is in the form of a minus b whole square. So what we do is normally we will apply a minus b whole square, right? So what is the a minus b whole square? It is a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? So now if we apply this formula for this one, it is cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square, which is equal to cosecant theta minus 2 into cosecant theta into cot theta plus cot square theta, right? Cot square theta. Now how to simplify this? Is it possible to cancel cosecant and cot? No. Is it possible to apply cosecant square theta plus cot square theta? Do you have formula for cosecant square theta plus cot square theta? No. What do you have? We have it as 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta is cosecant square theta. By this, is it possible to get cosecant square theta plus cot square theta? No. So, if you take this cot square to that side, then it is minus. So, we get minus. So, what is your last answer? Last answer is cosecant square theta minus 2 cosecant theta into cot theta plus cot square theta if you use this formula. So, whether we get that RHS side here? No. So, that means you should follow other method. Understood now? So, it looks like a minus b whole square, but here we can't use a minus b whole square to get that form. Understood this? So, now you can use, but it takes a lengthy method. So, better avoid that. So, understood now how to get here, how to check. So, this is not possible. This method is not possible. Then which is possible here? One more method. So, what is that? So, writing this cosecant and cot. What I need answer is cos and cos, right? So, change this cosecant in terms of cos and this one. So, what is your formula of cosecant theta? One more formula is cos is 1 by sin theta, right? Cos I write as 1 by sin theta because I need divide. So that's why I am using definition of cosecant theta. Cosecant theta is 1 by sin theta minus cot theta. What is your formula of cot theta? Cos theta divided by sin theta. Cos theta divided by sin theta whole square. Cos theta divided by sin theta whole square. Now how to simplify here? Numerator divided by denominator minus numerator divided by denominator. So how to simplify? And it is within square. Within bracket whole square. So now how to simplify this? Take LCM. Take LCM of this denominator. So you know what is your LCM? Sin theta and sin theta. What is your LCM? I will give this one comparison. It is rough one. Suppose 1 divided by x plus y divided, otherwise 2 divided by x. How to take LCM? Denominator is same. That means x and x. What is your LCM? It is x is common, so x1 is x1. So what is your LCM? LCM is x into 1 into 1 which is equal to x. I will give one more normal simplification. 1 divided by 2 plus 3 divided by 2. I will give number, then it is easy to compare. 1 divided by 2 plus 3 divided by 2. Now how to simplify that? Taking LCM. LCM of 2 and 2. So what is the LCM of 2 and 2? 2 and 2 LCM. So here 2 is factor of 2 and 2. 2 ones are 2 ones are. So LCM is how much here? 2 and 2 how much is 2? 2 ones are. So multiply by 1 plus 2 ones are multiply by 1. So that is 3. So which is equal to 4, right? So now what will be answer here? Here it is x is LCM. Thus our numerator as it is 1 plus 2 which is equal to 3 by x. Is it right? You know that type of simplification. Here also, see here 1 divided by sin theta minus cos theta divided by sin theta. So what is your denominator? Denominator is sin theta and sin theta. So what is your LCM? LCM is sin theta. Clear? LCM is sin theta. You can compare this with those two. Now numerator is what as it is. Sin, how much is sin theta? Sin 1 sir, right? So 1 into 1 is 1 minus sin, how much is sin? Sin 1 sir. So 1 into cos is cos theta whole square. Cos theta whole square. I am simplifying within bracket The taking LCM and it is whole square. Clear? Now how to simplify here? I need 1 minus cos divided by 1 plus cos theta. Right? How to get this one? This is 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta whole square. So now here which formula to use? By using A divided by B whole square. If it is A divided by B whole square, how we can write this one? It is A square divided by B square. You know this one, right? There are many problems we simplified of this type. So A divided by B whole square is equal to A square divided by B square, right? So now similarly here 1 minus cos theta divided by sin theta, that whole square is equal to, that is equal to, yes, how to write this one? It is 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by sin theta whole square. Otherwise you can write sin square theta. Sin theta or both are same. Sin theta whole square, that is equal to sin square theta, right? Both are same. You can write in this form of sin square theta. Clear? So the next step is equal to 1 minus cos theta, and keep as it is whole square divided by sin theta whole square. I'll write it as sin square theta. I will write it as sin square theta. Understood? No, both are same. Sin theta whole square we can also write it as sin square theta. So that only I am writing here. So now next, see the answer. Answer we need is cos. 1 minus cos theta and 1 plus cos theta. So here I got 1 minus cos theta whole square. Now don't bother about that whole square. I got 1 minus cos theta. But denominator is sin square. I don't want the sin square. How to change that sin square in terms of cos? What is the relation between sin square with the cos? So what is your identity? We have identity. Such terminal formula is sin square theta is equal to, what is that? 1 minus cos theta numerator whole square divided by, now sin square I can write it as what? 1 minus cos square theta. Is it right? 1 minus cos square theta, because by using that formula 1 minus cos square theta, using which one? Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. Now that is equal to 1 minus cos theta whole square, 1 minus cos theta whole square. Now next I need 1 plus cos theta, right? Now how to change this? 1 minus cos square theta. This is a square and here 1 we can write it as 1 square minus cos square theta. Is it right or wrong? Yes. 1 square is how much here? 1, right? So I am writing this one as 1 square minus cos square theta. Now it is in the form of, which form it is? A square minus B square, right? So now here using formula. Using formula, which one? A square minus B square, that is equal to A plus B into A minus B. Means 1 square minus cos square theta, which is equal to, let's tell me how to substitute that. It is A is how much? 1. B is what? Cos theta. So now substitution is 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Is it right or wrong? Yes. So now that is equal to 1 minus cos theta whole square divided by, understood now? A square minus B square, A plus B into A minus B. So now it is 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Now next, see that numerator is 1 minus cos theta whole square. So 1 minus cos theta whole square, I'll write it as 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos a square whole square. The term 1 minus cos theta whole square means it is in the form of a square, which is equal to what? A into a. So now here 1 minus cos theta whole square means it is 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta, right? So I use here a square, which is equal to a into a. So now here numerator 1 minus cos theta, denominator 1 minus cos theta cancels. What is left in numerator? 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, which is equal to what? RHS side. See, RHS side is 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta. So therefore LHS side is equal to RHS side. LHS side is equal to RHS side. Therefore conclusion part is cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square, which is equal to 1 minus cos theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, and hence it is proved. This is important for 3 marks, very important for 3 marks. Right, mark also in your notes. I think you understood, right? LCM, this is sin square, it is equal to sin square theta. Here I need cos, so numerator got cos, but denominator sin. I want to change that sign in terms of cos. See the relation or such formula from your formula is sin square theta is equal to, there I gave, is equal to 1 minus cos square. Now it is in the form of a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. It is in the form of whole square means a square. So 1 get cancelled, so it is equal to RHS side. Therefore LHS side is equal to RHS side. Next question. Prove that secant theta minus tan theta divided by secant theta plus tan theta is equal to 1 minus secant theta tan theta plus 2 tan square theta. See, prove that secant theta minus tan theta divided by secant theta plus tan theta, which is equal to 1 minus 2 secant theta into tan theta plus 2 tan square theta. Now take LHS side. So what is the LHS side? LHS side is secant theta plus minus tan theta divided by secant theta plus tan theta. Now how to simplify this? Is it possible to apply your identity? No, right? Why it is not? Here it is secant theta tan theta. Your identity is secant square and tan square, right? And next denominator also not possible. Now next is numerator divided by denominator. Means which method here? Rationalization, right? So use rationalize. So rationalize denominator. Rationalize denominator. Rationalize denominator. So now numerator is secant theta minus tan theta divided by secant theta plus tan theta. Now rationalize denominator means multiply and divide. So now secant theta plus, so multiply and divide by what? Secant theta minus tan theta divided by secant theta minus tan theta, right? So now that is equal to secant theta minus tan theta. Secant theta minus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta. Secant theta minus tan theta divided by, see, secant theta plus tan theta, secant theta minus tan theta. Secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta, right? Yes, now how to simplify? You know, if it is rationalizing method, so next method is what? Next step is what? Apply a repeated 2 times. That we can write it as secant theta minus tan theta whole square. Right? So after that you have to apply whole square formula. That is a minus b whole square. So that takes 2 steps more. Instead of that, I'll multiply bracket to bracket. That is easy. Okay? So now secant into secant theta. That method also you can follow. It is in the form of, try to understand. It is in the form of secant theta minus tan theta. See the first bracket. Now see the second bracket. Secant theta minus tan theta. Same, it is repeated 2 times. That means what? A into A is A square. So now this changes as what? Secant theta minus tan theta whole square. Is it right or wrong? Secant theta minus tan theta whole square. Now again, how to simplify this? This is in the form of a minus b whole square, right? A minus b whole square is what? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Means it is secant square theta minus 2 secant theta into tan theta plus tan square theta, right? If you use this method. So I don't use this method, you can use this. So your answer will be same. So but it takes 2 steps more. So now I'll multiply bracket to bracket. That means binomial to binomial multiplication. So secant theta into secant theta. So what is your answer? It is secant square theta, right? Secant theta into secant theta. What is the sign? Plus. What is the sign? Plus. Answer also in terms of plus. Now next is secant theta into minus tan theta. This is plus into minus. Answer is minus. Secant theta into tan theta is secant theta tan theta. Alright. So now next multiplication of this one. So what is the sign here? Minus tan theta. So minus tan theta into secant theta. So your answer is minus tan theta into secant theta. Now next multiply this minus tan theta to this one. So minus into minus plus tan theta into tan theta is tan square theta. So this is tan square theta whole divided by. Now how to simplify denominator? Already you know. It is, if it is rationalization, next method is applying a plus b, a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. A square minus b square means it is secant square theta minus tan square theta. Now numerator after multiplying, so your next step is collecting like terms, right? So now secant square theta. Is there any secant square theta? No. Secant square theta plus, I will write the tan square together. Tan square theta, otherwise leave. So now next minus secant theta tan theta minus tan theta secant theta. Now, so is it same a into b and b into a? Both are same or not? Same, right? Or it is 3 into 2 and 2 into 3, right? So 3 into 2, what is answer? 6. So 2 into 3, what is answer? 6. Both are same. So a into b or b into a, both are same, right? Here also secant theta into tan theta into secant. So whether these two are equal? Yes. That means this one and this one are like terms. Like terms means we can add or subtract. See the sign. Minus and minus means minus 1 secant tan theta minus 1 tan secant theta. That is equal to how much here? Minus 2 secant theta into tan theta plus tan square theta divided by. See, I told if you apply this method, if you apply a minus b whole square, you get same answer. Secant square theta minus 2 secant theta tan theta plus tan square theta. So you can use a minus b formula or you can multiply. So which is easy, follow that method. Now next secant square theta minus tan square identity. There is a relation between secant square and tan square. Search from your formula list. What is the secant square minus tan square? Is it given? See that. So your basic formula is 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta, right? So here rearrange that according to this one. Is it possible? In there it is given. So tan square goes to that side. So then it is what? 1 plus secant, 1 is equal to secant square theta minus tan square theta. So you got, I guess, right, from your formula list, you got that secant square theta minus tan square theta, that is given. Can I replace the secant square theta minus tan square theta as equal to 1? Yes, we can replace, right? So now this I will write it as secant square theta minus 2 secant theta tan theta plus tan square theta divided by 1. I don't write. Why it is not? You know this one, 2 divided by 1. So many times it is repeated. 2 divided by 1 means how much here? 2. So 100 divided by 1 means how much it is? 100. So similarly, secant square theta minus 2 secant theta tan theta plus tan square theta whole divided by 1 means the secant square theta minus 2 secant theta tan theta plus tan square theta. What now? Yes. Now see the answer. Answer is what? Here I need 1 minus. Now this is your last step of the simplification. Further we can't simplify. That simplification depends on your answer. Depending on answer, changing them. Clear? So now how to change this? I need 1 minus 2 secant theta tan theta plus 2 tan square theta. Now we'll see what is got. What is got? By that means what we need and what we got, we'll compare it. So what we need here are what we got, minus 2 secant theta tan theta. Is it got here? Minus 2 secant theta tan theta we got. Yes, that we got. Now next is 2 tan square theta. How many tan square theta we need in answer? 2 tan square theta. 2 times tan square. But in here, how many we got? Only 1. So that means one more extra, which one? Tan square theta we need. Now next 1, but here extra we got is secant square theta. Is it there in solution? Secant square? No, right? So that means I don't want that secant square theta. Now how to check? Only I need tan square theta. Extra tan square I need, right? No? See, compare it. This part I got. Don't touch this one. Now here it is 2 tan square theta, but I got 1 tan square theta means I need 1 more tan square theta. And is secant square theta, but in answer there is no secant square theta. So that means we should remove this secant square theta. How to remove this secant square theta? See the formula list. What is your secant square theta that is given? So what is your secant square theta? Secant square theta is what? Secant square theta is 1 plus tan square theta. Is it right? Secant square theta is 1 plus tan square theta minus 2 secant theta into tan theta plus tan square theta. So which is equal to 1 plus tan square theta, 1 plus tan square theta minus 2 secant theta into tan theta plus tan square theta. Now you can correct some like terms. It is 1. Is there any 1 here? No. It is 1. Tan square theta. Next we will rearrange according to that. Minus 2 secant theta into tan theta. Now here plus tan square theta plus tan square theta. What is answer? 2 tan square theta, which is equal to RHS side. So therefore conclusion writing, therefore LHS side is equal to RHS side. So therefore what is the conclusion? secant theta minus tan theta divided by secant theta plus tan theta, which is equal to 1 minus 2 secant theta tan theta plus 2 tan square theta. See, it is divide means rationalize denominator. Next multiply bracket to bracket, denominator a plus b, a minus b formula. Next there it is not possible to combine. So here these two are like terms. So combine it, and from your formula list secant square minus tan square is 1, and in formula we don't have secant square plus tan square is equal to something that is not there, that is not formula. So keep as it is, and divided by 1 means as it is. Now see the answer. Answer, I don't want the secant square. Secant square theta is equal to, from your formula list, search it. It is 1 plus tan square theta. So now next collect it. 1 we got, minus 2 secant theta tan theta we got, tan square theta plus tan square theta is 2 tan square theta, which is equal to RHS side. Therefore LHS side is equal to RHS side.